Welcome to Scott Cars. Today we have the 2005 Nissan Xterra Off-Road. It has a current mileage of 68,002 and it's a 4.0 liter V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4-wheel drive vehicle and has regular ride suspension, speed sensing steering, and traction control. Its color is a solar yellow. As you come to the back, see that when the back hatch opens, pretty wide open space back here. There's an option to make a second layer of storage with this screen right here. You would just pull back on that cord right there, go back and hook into here on both sides. Additionally, you can lower the second row seating, and when you do that, it's going to be the same level as the back here, and even more room for storage. Just goes the back. Its interior color is steel graphite and with cloth seats. There's 6 speakers lining the interior of the vehicle. Here are the climate controls. Here are the controls to turn it to 4-wheel drive. And here's your radio. It's a custom radio, standard AM, FM inputs, as well as MP3 input on the radio as well. I'm going to show you a feature on the roof. You have a roof rack. Great for whenever you're trying to store any outdoor equipment like skis or even an extra thing of storage. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle. It has a clean Carfax report. It is locally traded. It has had one previous owner. Once again, this is the 2005 Nissan Xterra Off-Road, and this is Scott Cars.